Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share this multicolor crochet earring hoop earring. If you are new at my channel, then please do like, share and please do subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So for this project we need 0.75 mm crochet hook and earring hoop, and I have used scissor and that 4 color cotton anchor embroidery thread. Okay, and this one I have used the needle. So at first we'll start with this black color thread. So we'll make the slip knot, then around the hoop we'll make total 48 single crochet. So you can see how I am doing this. So at the project will be start with that from right to left side. So you just hold the hook like that, okay, and insert the hook through the slip knot, and then you just make the single crochet. So at first you just make the chain, then you make total 48 single crochet. So here also one thing, it depends on your crochet hook size. If it is smaller, then maybe it will that 48 is, I think it's more. So it depends on you, but you just make sure it should be the multiple of 2, means it should be an even number. Okay, so you can see how I'm making that single crochet. So we'll come after making 48 single crochet. So here you can see that total 48 single crochet done. Now we'll make 2 chain. So here that 2 chain has completed. Now we'll make that double crochet. So here we'll make double crochet on each alternative, means you just gap 1 stitch, then on the next stitch you just make 1 double crochet. That you just skip the one stitch, and then on the next stitch you make double crochet. Like that we'll make all the double crochet. So if you guys like my video, then please do like, share and please do subscribe my channel, as it will motivate me to make more such videos. And also if you have any doubt in any section, then please do comment me, and also you just comment which type of crochet project you want to see. You please mention in the comment box. So here you can see that all the double crochet done. Now here I have made 2 chain, then we'll make the slip stitch on the first stitch. Okay, on the first stitch I'm making the slip stitch. So after that we'll cut the thread. Next we'll start with this red color thread. For that one also, at first I am making the slip knot, then we'll make 2 chain first. Now we'll make double crochet in each stitches. Okay, so one thing you just remember while you are making the double crochet, on the back side that extra thread you just hide. You can see how I'm hiding this one. I'm just inserting the hook. Now on the back side I have taken that red color thread also. If you see all my video, then you can see in every video I just do the same thing. It will give a very good finish work. So like that you just make each and every stitches 1 double crochet. So we'll come after finishing this round. So here you can see all the double crochet done. Now I am making 2 chains, then we'll make the slip stitch on the first loop. Okay, now after that we'll cut the red color thread. Now we'll start with this green color thread. So for that one also the same. At first make the slip knot, then I'm inserting the hook on the first loop. This is the first loop. So here I'm inserting the hook and I'm making that chain. So here again 2 chain, then after 2 chain we will make double crochet. But here double crochet will make on in each alternate stitches. Means here I have gap 1 stitch, then on the next stitch we'll make the double crochet. So you can see that first stitch I have just skipped, then on the next stitch I am making the double crochet. Again you can see I skip the next, then on the second next I am just making the double crochet. So like that you just make all the double crochet here. So now here at the end again I'm making that 2 chain, then we'll make the slip stitch on the last loop. 2 chain, then we'll make the slip stitch. Okay, so like that this green color round also finished. Now we'll cut the extra thread. Now we'll work with this yellow color thread. So for that one also I'm making that slip knot, then we'll insert on the first loop. Okay, now at first we'll make a 1 chain. In this round we'll make single crochet. So here you can see each and every stitches I'm making 1 single crochet. Every stitches I'm making single crochet. So here first stitch done, then on the second stitch I'm making single crochet. Like that each and every stitches I'll make single crochet. So we'll come after finishing this round. So here you can see all the single crochet done. Now I'm making 1 chain and we'll make the slip stitch on the first loop. So like that this round also completed. So our earring is almost completed. Now I'll trim the extra thread and you just cut the yellow color thread also. Now with the needle we'll sew all that extra thread, we'll hide here. So guys, if you like my video then please do like, share and please do subscribe my channel. So here you just see this looks very beautiful and it is very trendy classy design. So you can use as your choice, means colors. So if you like then please do like, share and subscribe. So thank you friends.